Stop wasting hours on bad AI responses. Here's the secret prompt formula that gets perfect results every time. Most people type random questions into AI and get garbage outputs. They blame the AI, but it's actually their prompts that suck. Master these 3 prompt principles to transform your AI interactions. First, be specific. Instead of write about dogs, say write a 200-word guide on training golden retriever puppies. Second, give context. Add your role, audience, and goal to guide the AI effectively. Third, show examples. Include samples of what you want to provide clear direction. Watch this. A bad prompt like, help with email, yields poor results. But a good prompt, write a professional follow-up email to a client about our delayed shipment, apologetic but solution-focused, under 100 words, gets you exactly what you need. Try this formula on your next AI chat and watch the magic happen. Follow for more AI productivity hacks.